Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 67 Camaro with a 396, a 4-speed, red interior, black car. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We'll pop the hood so you can check out the 396. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. RS front end, chrome on the front bumper looking good, cowl hood. Great looking paint job on the car. When you look down the side of it, nice and straight. It's got the bias ply tires on it, period correct wheels. Wheel lip moldings look good. Rocker moldings look good. Emblems are in great shape. All the stainless looks good. Now the vent window does look like it's original to the car, showing a tiny bit of age, but it's still got a real nice shine to it. Door handle looks good. Doors operate nice and smooth. Door jambs nicely painted. You can see the door panels in good shape. Carpeting looks like it's new. Steering wheel's nice and bright and shiny. The upholstery on the seats is looking good. 4-speed shifter there in the center console. All the trim around the back windows refinished, headliners in good shape. On the dash, all the paint's looking good on the dash. The dash pad itself looks good. The lenses on the gauges are looking great. The chrome on that steering wheel looking sharp. It's got a 2-pack of gauges there underneath the dash, and it looks like an aftermarket radio. We got great looking chrome on the bumper here. Taillight bezels look like they're new also. Inside the trunk, all nicely coated, nice and solid. Got great looking lips here around the trunk opening. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. You look down the side of the car, again, nice and straight, just like the driver's side. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. That means we own this car. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then when we bring the cars back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Right now we own about 240 cars and they're all in stock, ready to go. So call Tom. Now we bought 48 new cars last month and I was involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. Let's take this black Camaro for a ride. Big block, 4-speed, black, red interior, cowl hood. She's ready to go, guys. It's a sweet ride right here. Give Tom a call. We can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. Call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So give him a call anytime. He'd love to tell you all about this beautiful Camaro. If you want some help with financing, we can help you out with that too. Only takes about 15 minutes with the banker on the phone, and we can get this dream parked in your driveway. Now down here on the dash, you can see that the speedo is working. Fuel gauge, we got a 2-pack of gauges down here. It's telling us our water temperature and oil pressure. It's got an aftermarket radio and it's got a plug-in for your phone there also. Dash pad's in beautiful shape. Look at the reflections on the hood. I tell you, that paint is just about as flat as can be. Looks like a big old black mirror there on the hood. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're not very far from the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check out this vehicle or one of the other 240 cars we have in stock, we would love to have you. So come on out. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up if you need a ride. We're also here on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in. If you want to send an inspector, no problem. We'll treat an inspector just like he was you. You want to get it up in the air, take it for a test drive, no problem whatsoever. Now we're going to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this thing up in the air so you can take a look at the bottom side. Then we're going to take a look at under the hood. We're going to show you everything you want to see. Now here's our building here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We're going to get it up in the air for you right now so you can take a look at the bottom side, and then we'll pop that hood. All right, we're underneath this Camaro now, man. She's pretty under here. We got a brand new tank. We got brand new monoleaf springs. We got brand new shackles here. The drop downs look good. All the floors back here look great. The frame members look good. We got a 308 in here, right around 308 gear, and it is Posi. We've got, looks like fairly new brake lines here, and the guys will pull those brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got Flowmaster Mufflers. Again, frame looks great up here, floors look good. We've got an X-pipe here. Looks like a new brake line going front to back. Looks like new fuel line going front to back. Bushings here look like they've been replaced. We've got a 4-speed trans here with a stock appearing bell housing, and it does have the stock clutch linkage. Cross member here looks great. We do have disc brakes up front. Everything under here is nice and clean. Front valance is nice and clean. Front bumper looks like new chrome. Just beautiful car underneath. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got red line bias ply tires. The wheels look like they've got great paint on them. Center caps look new. Trim rings look new. And let's check the rear. All right, out back here, same size tire, F70 14s, same good looking rims, trim caps, and center caps. We got the wheel well there looking nice and clean. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 1968 model 396. It's got a 770 CFM Holley carb. It's a dual feed. It's got MSD distributor, MSD 6AL box, power brakes, power steering. Everything under here is painted up nice. Firewall looks good. Bottom side of the hood's painted up nice. It's got a big cross-flow radiator in it. It's even got one of those Delco tops on the battery, guys. The car is sharp. She's a big block. She's a Camaro. She's black. It's got that nose stripe there. That red's looking great. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.